Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Umbreon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw a curve up and over on the left. Now let's leave a gap and let's do the same thing on the right. And then an angular curve underneath to close off each eye. Next, let's hop inside each eye and let's draw an oval. Then for the pupil, we're going to draw a curve down and back up, and then continue it behind the oval like this. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move in the center and let's draw the nose with a small triangle. And color it in black. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. Now that we have the face, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve down on both sides. And then let's curve it back in towards the center, leaving a gap. And then hop to the top and let's draw a curve across, leaving a gap on both sides. Next, let's hop inside and we're going to draw a large oval on the forehead. And then another one inside. Next, for the head, let's draw the ears. On top, let's draw a curve up and out on both sides. And then from the top, let's curve it back down and in. Now inside each ear, let's draw two curves. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve out on both sides like this. And then let's curve it in for the sides of the legs. And then two curves in the center for the other side of the legs like this. Now at the bottom, let's bring it down and curve it back up for the feet. And then add two curves inside. Next, let's add the pattern on the legs. From the sides, let's draw an oval-shaped curve around like this. And then another one inside. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's move out and let's draw the back legs. From the sides, let's draw a curve out and back in. And the same on the right side. Now for the feet, let's draw a curve across. and then curve it back in underneath. And then 2 curves inside at the bottom. Now let's add the pattern on the legs. From the sides, let's draw a curve. And another one inside. Now to finish off the bottom of the body, let's draw a curve in the center between the 2 front legs. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the tail. On the left side, next to the leg here, let's draw a wavy line out and up. And then curve it back in underneath. And lastly, let's add 2 curves across inside. And that's it for Umbreon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!